ndaririria kiria ni ndonire muthenya ucio na kiria kiratuma njaririe ni riri mami wao ri arauga ndariirio niki na ngikorwo mami ucio ni ariirio arahenania niki. There must be a problem. Apana andu riu no guthiga megutigana na uhonokio oko ni kunywa munywa munywe oko ni umaraya muhura muhure tondu Ngai ndendaga hinga. If there's something that I hate is hypocrisy. If there's something that I hate is hypocrisy. Ndiendaga uhinga na gutire hende ngaririo hinga na gutire hende ngario hinga. I think I have a problem. Because angikorwo ni murata wakwa nie niendaga murata o uri ari na nduagirira arata kwa mari ona thina tondu ona nikoragwo ndina thina. Hapana. That was wrong. But either way, wacha Betia rest in peace. Mimi sijui nini ilimuua, lakini sijui hata sitaki kujua nini ilimuua, but there is something that I know. She didn't have a friend, by the way. By the way, she didn't have a friend. If whatever went through is true, I don't know even, niyo na ndiwe kana maregire kumuhetha kame, kana matiaregire kumuhetha kame, kana kuri undu wathire gutari nie ndiuwi, but there is one thing I know. If whatever Mama Betty said is true, there is a person who stayed 3 hours in a meeting. Whatever they discussed, I don't know, but even they never got to Mama Betty's ear. That is hypocrisy. Because niye igerireria murata wakwa kina muthuri wake nyina toi no gitungira tiga nyina kiria turaririria. And niki gituma twaririria. In fact, the other thing that I've been asking myself is, Shiros twacho cio na nie to haha ri agite gukorwo mucemanio ucio niki giatumire Taj maikare na mucemanio na mundu ucio murata wa Betty mathaa matatu